Hello, this is a brief demonstration on how to use the Vibrasound Analyzer model CM3. This particular model is 4-channel noise and vibration with modem option. To start the unit, you press the on button. This will then initialize the modem and take you to the first screen displaying the settings of the Vibrasound. The first screen shows you the unit serial number, the firmware version, what your trigger level, sound meter base is set to, event length, cut-off delay, sampling rate, and what your print option is set to should you have a printer. To go to the second screen, just press any key. This now shows you all your alarm levels. There's 5 alarms. The first 2 monitor vibration, and the 3 remaining ones are for the noise. You can set these to whichever you wish, and if you do have the modem option, you can set up SMS text alerts, so if any of these limits are breached, you will get a text alert warning you. You can enter many as 4 people in the Vibrasound, and the Vibrasound will alert the 4 people. This displays telling you that the SMS text alerts is currently set to off. To go to the third screen of data, just press any key again. This now tells you whether your timer's on or off, what your table time's set to, how many events have been recorded, what percentage of memory has been used, and what your battery percentage is. You press any key again. This now takes you to the base menu where you can begin monitoring. Next, we need to set up the microphone and the vibration head. The microphone, you need to set up the tripod towards where you wish to monitor the noise. The microphone connects to the cable by lining up the red dots. That just pushes into place like so. Then put the microphone onto the tripod and point towards the source of the noise. We also supply a windshield which just goes over the top of the microphone like so. Okay, need to then attach the cable to the Vibrasound. Cables come as standard in 2 lengths. It's either 0.5 metre or 10 metres. 10 metres is the maximum length you can have for the microphone. The cable's half male, half female, and just inserts into the Vibrasound into the microphone socket. You just push and click to attach. To remove the cables, it's very important you don't twist them. Just pull back on the sleeve and remove. Okay, now to set up the vibration head, this needs to be mounted on something solid, ideally tarmac or concrete, not grass or soil. To level the vibration head, use the 3 legs, and the bubble in the middle of the head will tell you when it's level. You need to point L towards the source of the vibration, and then again attach the supplied cable. The cable then plugs into the connector marked block A on the Vibrasound. Again, just push and click like so. The vibration cables can come in any length. I mentioned before the standard lengths are 3 metres or 10 metres, but you can have longer if required. Okay, now you're ready to start monitoring. If you wish to monitor continuously, you need to press number 2, which is C mode event. Obviously, if you're monitoring an impulse event, you'd press number 1. You'll now be taken to another screen which says waiting set time. In approximately 20 seconds, you'll have data for both noise and vibration. Just while we're waiting for the screen to update, as I mentioned before, this unit does come with a timer. You can set up 3 timer periods to cover 24 hours. If you're monitoring on a site that has no access to mains power, we also supply some crocodile leads that attach to a 12-volt car battery. This plugs into the connector on the Vibrosound marked external battery. The unit also comes with an external alarm option if needed. This comes with a buzzer and a beacon, and again alerts you if your vibration limits have been exceeded. But with this particular model has a modem option. As I mentioned before, you can set up to 4 phone numbers in the Vibrosound, and those 4 numbers will get text alerts when vibration or noise limits are breached. As you can see now, we now have data on the screen. At the top there we've got the noise values, and at the bottom is the vibration. The unit will carry on monitoring until you tell it to stop. To stop the unit monitoring, you can either follow the on-screen instructions, it says there press menu to exit. Alternatively, you can just press the on-off switch and the unit will stop monitoring in an orderly fashion and save the last event. Okay, the unit is now switched off. Alternatively, if you have the modem option, you can dial in, download the data, and then the unit will just carry on monitoring as before until you go to site and tell it to stop. Thank you.